Today on the channel, we have everyone's favorite black and orange prosumer brand of tools. It's some of their newest offerings. You've been asking for them. We have them for you. They're coming right up after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Visit the merch store for hats, stickers, t-shirts, and tech shirts. Links in the description below. So it's on! RIDGID has released their new subcompact line of tools. Now here's the deal. We want to know down below in the comment section, who is this aimed at? The reality is, tool brands, tool manufacturers don't make tools unless it's to answer the call from professionals, right? Hey, we need these tools. Now, they obviously saw some market share that could be captured from other brands. So here's the question. Are these tools designed to capture market share from Milwaukee? They offer compact, powerful tools. Makita offers compact, powerful tools. DeWalt, with their Atomic line, offers somewhat compact tools. Which one of those brands is this going to steal market share from? This is their combination kit. This includes a drill driver, it's not a hammer drill driver, and a very, very compact impact driver. This is product number R9780. One of the greatest things, little tidbit for some of you that are just taking a look at this prosumer line of tools for the first time maybe. Maybe you're considering coming over from another brand. If you buy this combination kit, which includes batteries, they're offering you a lifetime service agreement with this purchase. Unlike other brands that might offer a 5-year warranty on the tool and maybe a 3-year warranty on the lithium-ion batteries, the entire contents of this box have a lifetime service agreement. So 10 years, 20 years from now, when those batteries go bad, you can possibly, I'm not going to say it's a guarantee thing, a lot of things can happen in 20 years. You could get new battery packs from RIDGID under that lifetime service agreement. Did you know that? Did you really? Leave it down in the comments section below if you did or if you didn't. We want to know. Also, if you like little tidbits like that, smash the like button. It's free for you to do, and it helps out the channel immensely. Plus, it's not like smashing a mirror. You get 7 years of good luck here on the YouTube platform. This is their 18-volt subcompact brushless half-inch drill driver and impact driver combination kit. 30% lighter weight. We just did a video. It was a live watch party from Ryobi. They're announcing their new HP line of tools. If you didn't see that watch party, you could go to this video here. You go check it out after. I wonder what the push is. You know, RIDGID always reminded me of the brand that was looking to compete with DeWalt. I feel that a lot of DeWalt tools are very powerful, some of the most powerful tools in the industry, but they're a little bit bigger. No one seems to really mind the size. The 996 from DeWalt, unbelievably impressive hammer drill. That's where I feel that the Octane line of tools was looking to compete, steal some of that market share away from DeWalt. Big, powerful tools. Here's the thing. What's with the push from RIDGID and Ryobi to be lighter, more powerful? I'm going to go back to the same question. Where do you think they're looking to compete? This kit does need to be registered, though, with their service agreement. So don't forget to register your tools, your batteries, and your, all that stuff for service, because otherwise, it might be like 100% compatible. All RIDGID 18-volt tools work with all RIDGID 18-volt batteries. I'm going to say I like the idea of these tools working with all the standard 18-volt RIDGID batteries. I will say there's a give and take there. There is a benefit. I think that there's also a little bit of a shortcoming because of this. We're going to discuss that in a few minutes. You'll see 18-volt brushless half-inch drill driver. It's all metal gears. It's got a 24 position clutch ring, 18 volt brushless impact driver, has a quick release hex collet. It also has high torque output, 1,800 inch-pounds of torque on the impact driver. Wow. Shared features, brushless motor technology, delivers more runtime, more power, and longer motor life. Interchangeable belt hook and bit holder. It looks like there's one for each tool. The way they have it phrased here, you would think you're getting one belt hook and one bit holder. And LED lights. RIDGID 3-year limited warranty. This limited warranty covers all defects in workmanship and materials and normal wear. Chucks, motors, switches, cords, gears, or even cordless batteries in this RIDGID tool for 3 years following the purchase date of the tool. Warranties for other RIDGID products may vary. There might be some tomfoolery at play here, because right under that it says lifetime service agreement. Purchasers of this product are eligible for 90 days after purchase to enter a free lifetime service agreement, the terms and conditions of which can be found at RIDGID.com. From my understanding, what I'm reading here in the fine print is, if you do not within 90 days register for your lifetime service agreement, the fallback will be you have a 3-year limited warranty. That's what I'm reading. I bet you my attorney would agree. How many attorneys do we have watching this right now? Are you a prosumer attorney? Leave it down in the comment section below if I'm reading the law correctly. Maybe you're going to do some projects on a weekend or in your spare time where you're not attorneying it up in the courtroom. As we come to the bottom of the box, you'll see the specifications. Drill drivers, 18 volts. Chuck capacity is 1/2 inch. No load speed in speed 1, 450 RPM. Speed 2, 1750 RPM. Max torque, 400 inch-pounds. Impact drivers, 18 volts. Collet's 1/4 inch. No load speed, infinitely adjustable from 0 to 2900 RPM. Max torque's 1800 inch-pounds. Impacts per minute's 4200. That's a lot. For a compact, subcompact tool, pretty impressive numbers on the impact. Battery's capacity is 2 amp hours and the charger's 18 volt output, 120 volt input. All right, I know what you're all saying. Just get the daggone thing open. Don't yell at me and don't pressure me. I will open this when I'm ready, which is right now. Here's how it comes. So here's your instructions, your operator's manual. This is your service agreement pamphlet. This is what you're going to want to refer to get that lifetime service agreement registered. Okay? Here's your charger instructions. Here's your impact driver instructions. Here's your operation manual. Next out of that box is this bag, which is cool. I like this little RIDGID bag. This bag is kind of subcompact on its own. Look at that. It's got some nice stitching. I will tell you this much. What I'm not impressed with is this charger at all. I mean, this kit at the time of this videoing, this is a $200 combo kit. Okay? It's coming with a bag. RIDGID, yeah, I know your tools are new and all, but I feel like you could give me a little bit more bang for my buck. The reality is that these batteries, they might be like somewhat new, but they still fit all existing tools. That means they would fit your existing chargers. Why not include something a little bit better? Maybe I'm expecting too much. I don't know. Maybe at that price point, and because this is a prosumer line of tools, maybe this is what you should get. I don't know. Maybe they put so much money into the tools themselves and the batteries, they're like, hey, you know, anybody that's buying these tools, they probably already have a full-size charger. I don't know. Let's see what happens when you put that battery on there. So we have a flash on the battery. There's the indicator light on the charger. You'll see there's a flash here for charge. Probably will go solid when it's full. There's also 2 indicators for error and temp delay. If this battery was too hot, this charger will let you know it. So I guess you are getting a whole bunch of function out of this battery charger. I don't like it. Just being honest with you. And if you don't like my opinion, too bad. That's my opinion. But you could still let me know down in the comments section why you think this battery charger makes sense in this $200 combo kit. It doesn't mean that I'm going to agree with you. But I am a very understanding, caring, okay, empathetic human being. So although I might not agree with you, that doesn't mean I wouldn't like you. That doesn't mean you're not entitled to your opinion. It just means that we don't agree on this. We can agree to disagree. Just out of curiosity, these 2 amp hour batteries with their indicator, these 2 amp hour batteries, I gotta tell you, I don't know the RIDGID line of tools in and out like I know other brands. Here's the question. Do all of the RIDGID batteries in the 2 amp hour size come with a fuel gauge? I don't think that they used to. I could be wrong. That's why I'm asking for your help. I can admit when I don't know everything, but that's why I have the coolest community on all the interwebs. I don't always need to be an expert. Some things I feel that I can be an expert in. There's some things I'm honest with you. I'm like, I don't know, but I got backup. I got the very cool gang. Hashtag very cool gang. You help me out when I don't know something. That's why I'm asking. These batteries with their new fuel gauge, okay, 2 amp hours will run you 14.8 ounces. So 1.2 ounces under a pound, ski. I will tell you this much. I know I was making fun of the charger, but we're already up to 3 bars. The battery was shipped with 1 bar. I mean, it's doing a pretty rapid job. I'm not calling it a rapid charger by any stretch of the imagination, but it's doing a pretty good job of charging that battery, it seems. I don't know how long it's going to take to be full. Here's these seem to be like powder coated or something. Our belt clips comes with 2 bits. We have what looks to be a quarter. This is to work with the impact driver. It could work with the drill as well, but it does look like a 1/4 inch collet. This bit is made to have a 1/4 inch collet accept it and retain it. This is a double-sided bit. We have slotted and Phillips. Looks like you would be using this exclusively with the drill driver. Next out of the pack, I will tell you this much. This is really compact. This is nice. I want to get my belt clip installed. From what I'm saying, RIDGID's not playing with the durability of its tools because it looks like the fan is actually metal. You don't have to worry about being in dusty situations or having debris going into your housing here and chipping off blades on the fan. That squeak noise though, you hear that? It almost sounds like a bearing or something's wrong. This bit, whoa, I like that. That's pretty nice. Quick insert and then quick eject. Impact driver with the full Monty. 2 pounds, 12 ounces, exactly. That is a compact package. Let's pop the battery on the drill driver. These are extremely light. That makes me feel a little bit better because I'm having almost that same noise. Pretty cool. So we have a single ring here for drill and clutch settings. This is not a hammer drill, so there's no hammer function. You'll see our 2-speed gearbox. We're speed 2 here. Boom, speed 1. Very, very positive. I like that feeling. The direction switch, forward and back, feels pretty good. Now, the chuck itself, these internals obviously are metal. The outside is plastic. Some people have a problem with a plastic chuck covering. I, on the other hand, especially when it comes to smaller tools, the intended purpose for those tools would generally be in working with cabinetry and stuff, getting in tight spots. The plastic chuck is a benefit because it won't mar as bad as a metal chuck. Both tools have the light shining from the bottom up to the workspace, which seems to really illuminate the work area pretty good, even under these really bright lights. I will let everyone know that, in my opinion, there is a big issue with these tools, though. Insert our bit. Feels good. Let's see if there's any wobble. I will give you this much. It's creating a lot of vibration in the tool, okay? But people say accuracy. Like, no one starts like what is it, like a Jaws movie? And then moves in and try to hit a mark? No, you place your tool onto the workpiece, then you start your drill driver. I will let you know that this battery is only half charged, but let's see how it does. Seems plenty powerful for 1 5/8" drywall screws. Compact. Definitely compact here at the head. Nice. Let's go 3-inch drywall screw. Takes a lot of torque to drive these without stripping them out, spinning them into 3 inches of wood. Oh, man. Pretty good, especially for a tool so compact. I gotta tell you, very impressive how compact these are. Let me know down in the comment section if you want to have these compared to other subcompact tools. With the Diablo in speed 1, the chalk doesn't look that horrible. Let's put it in speed 2, see how it does with that. Not bad. RIDGID's known for being very torquey, very confidence inspiring. Let's put it on speed 2, see how it does. Timed out. Very, very confidence inspiring. Let's remember here, we're down to 1 bar, so full charge, I'm really curious to see how it will do. Here's the one flaw I can identify with these tools just based on an unboxing. Okay, I mean, these things might break constantly. I mean, you don't know what could happen, right? But they seem confidence inspiring. I think they will serve the prosumer category very well. Here's my only complaint and gripe. We have very compact tools. Nice handles, the overmold feel great, the switch gear feels good, they perform what seems to be very well. What's going on down here? I mean, this is the problem. You already have, for a subcompact tool, what seems to be a pretty big battery, okay? At the back of this tool, they extended even more to make it to where, like, who cares how big the head is if you can't get in to where you need to be? Like, why does this need to be so big? It's a little bit smaller, it seems, on the drill driver. Was there no way to make this smaller? Is there no workaround for this? Other than, I don't know, Milwaukee M12 fuel? I mean, is that the only workaround? If you want subcompact from RIDGID, like this is it. I feel like these are not going to be as compact as most prosumers would want them to be. That's the only downfall. Everything else seems ergonomically awesome. It looks like they're built to last. We have metal fans back here. They seem pretty awesome. I'm excited about them, and if you're excited about them, let us know down in the comments section below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.